Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a quiz web application. In this web application, we have the two major roles, the admin role and the user role. So this web application is made by using Google Sheet as a database and Google Apps Script for the coding purposes. So it's the upgraded version of our previous quiz web application. So if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can see here we have a version of QuizDev application which is named by C50. Now we have upgraded it and have added a lot of new functionalities. Okay, so you can see here this is our Google Sheet. In our Google Sheet, we have a login sheet. In login sheet, we have added a lot of things like the email, the password, the name, the role, the contact, the pin, the photo URL, and the subjects. Okay, so I just copy this username and go to our login page and paste it here. And again, I enter my pin from where you get your pin. So in your Google Sheet, login sheet, in F column, you have a designated pin for each particular user. Okay, you just enter your pin here and click on this sign in. So when you click on this sign in, right now you can able to see you have successfully sign in and you are admin. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a lot of sheets, the Great 10, IMED, Finance, and multiple more. But in this web application, we can only able to see these particular three sheets. How this? Okay, so you can see here in our subject section, we have only added the three sheets. Okay, so if you want to add, for example, just copy this. If you want to add the IMED, so you just go to your login section and just come here, add a comma and paste it here. Okay, so when now you refresh your web application, and right now you can able to see you have the four sheets. Okay, so in this way, you can add one sheets, two sheets, three sheets for the question selections. How this will work? Okay, right now you can able to see here a time per question. Allowed question is three. This particular user, whenever, no matter he is admin, the functionalities between the admin and the user are somehow the same. Just the difference between the manage announcement and the manage questions and the manage users. These three functionalities are not available to users. Otherwise, admin or user dashboard is exactly same. Okay, so we will talk about the functionalities, how it works. Okay, so you can see here we have only three questions. Okay, we have only three questions. We just go here, and if I want to say here five and refresh my web application, so when I refresh my web application, now you can able to see I have five maximum questions which we need to attempt. Okay, so time per question. How much time you need to solve per question? 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. I just select the 15 seconds. Okay, you want a random questions? Yes, I want a random questions. Okay, I just select one category. Okay, you can see here we can select one category or we can select multiple categories. Okay, okay. If I not select here and if I don't select, if I uncheck the random question mode, then I can able to go here and select categories, which categories I want to choose, which subjects I want to choose. If I check this mark, then all the categories randomly question comes. So this extra feature we have added. Okay, I just uncheck here and click on this size and click on this start quiz. So when I click on this start quiz, you can see here no questions found in this particular sheet. Okay, you go to your Google Sheet and right now you can able to see where is the science. Okay, where is the science? So science sheet is not available in our database. Okay, in our database, the science sheet is not available. Okay, how we can solve this? We just come here and we just rename this SCIENCE science. Okay, we just add a size and now go to our web application and click on this start quiz. So when I click on this start quiz, now you can able to see our quiz is being successfully started. Okay, I just select a option which is the correct and click on this next question and select, click on this next question. And if you go to your previous section, your already marked question will be shown to you. Okay, when you go to your next question, you can select here. And when you again go to the next question, you can select here. And when you go to again, you can select here. So right now, you can able to see you have successfully marked all the questions. You have successfully solved all the questions. Okay. So right now you can see here, this is question one, and you mark this question. You mark this question answer. Okay. Reason. Also you can add here, go to our Google Sheet and in our science section. So if your question have the images, you can also add the images. I will also explain you how you can add this in coming few moments. Okay. In coming few moments, I will also explain you how this will work. So you can see here in J column, you can add the reasons why this question is wrong or why this question is good. Okay, so right now we have only added one reason because which is the correct option and which what is the reason for this particular question. Okay, so you can see here the reason this question is correct. Oman is correct because it is the only country in the list on the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, go to your next question and again, you can see here, go to next question, go to next question, and go to next question. No reason provided. You can see here, for this particular question, we have not provided any reason. Okay, so it will say no reason provided. If you jump to a particular question, like three question, you just simply enter the three and click on this go. So you can see here, three questions comes here. Okay, one thing we have now discussed is the thing is that we have the images. So you can see here we have the question availables in IMAD which have the images. We just go here and select the IMAD and select here 15 seconds and click on this start quiz. So when I click on this start quiz, right now you can able to see this particular question. You can see here this particular question have a YouTube video, so you need to watch this video. You need to watch this video, and after that, you will solve this question. Okay, go to your previous section. You need to watch this particular video, and after that, you will solve this question. This is a great feature which I have added. I just select it here, and right now, this question have the image. And you will need to find out the answers from this image. Okay, I select the answers and go to select answers, and again you can see here this is the questions, and again and again and again. Okay, so right now you can able to see all the systems will be comes here, and you can go to your dashboard, back to the dashboard. Okay, so hope so you like the concept of our new added features. Okay, in your quiz history you can able to see all the tests which you have given, in which categories, means in which subjects you have given, how much total questions and how much marks you get. You will get the report. Okay, in achievement sections you can get the badges. Okay, like perfect score, quiz in QRC जो भी है, quiz master, whatever you will say in English. My English is weak. Okay, go to your leaderboard. In leaderboard section, now you can able to see which user on the top and which users on what number. You can see here the ranks. Okay, now go to your progress section. When you go to your progress section, you can able to see your progress date wise, on which date you have how much progress. And go to your my profile section. Right now you can able to see the image is not displayed. When you click on this choose file, and you just go to your desktop and select any image and click on this save changes. So when you click on this save changes, it will upload to the Google Drive. So you can see here the profile is successfully being updated. So in this way, your user can change their profile pictures. Okay. Now the main difference between the admin side or the user side. Admin can manage the users. Okay, before continue that, I want to show you something. This is a join group and sport feature. In your settings sections, you can change the link of these particular buttons. Okay, when you click on this join group, you can see here your this particular URL comes in a new window. Okay, so in this way, you can add the links of your button from here. Okay, okay, so you have seen here, and you can also able to see here the dark mode and the light mode. Okay, you can easily navigate between the dark mode and the light mode and manage announcements. Okay, for example, you want to add a announcement. Hi. Okay, you have added hi, and it is in this announcement will be active or not. Yes, it will be active, and click on this add announcement. So when you click on this add announcement, your announcement is successfully being added. Okay, so this is a question in manage question section. This is a feature which we have added in the admin side. Now you just select a category, for example IMAD, and click on this load question. So when you click on this load question, all the questions available in IMAD sheet will be displayed here, and if you want to edit that particular questions, you can simply click on this edit and simply watch them and update them. Okay, if you want to add a new question, you can simply add a question, their correct answer, their options, their image. Okay, if you don't have the image URL, you can simply upload the image. Here, your YouTube video, Google Drive video. Here, reason for correct answer, why it is correct. Okay, so in this way you can add the questions. Okay, so for your confusions, I will go here and enter my email and enter my pin and click on this sign in. So right now I am signed in as a user. Okay, so in user you can see here only these three particular options: manage users, manage questions, and manage announcements is not being able to shown. Okay, so you can see here remaining all the things will be the same which I already have to shown to you. So this is our web application which we have made for you, the upgraded version. Now you have a feature of watch YouTube video and then answer your question, of watch your images and then watch your answers. Okay, so this is your web application. Hope so you like this video. If you like my effort, you can simply appreciate me by using this, hitting the subscribe button. So thank you very much. Take care.